Hey, I'm Mark, and I'm here to tell you about a not-for-profit organization known as Baking Memories for Kids. Baking Memories for Kids, or hashtag BM4K, uses its cookie sales to send terminally ill and sick children on the vacations of a lifetime to all the Orlando, Florida theme parks. The founder and president of this organization is Mr. Frank Squeo. He started this organization out of his house in Valley Cottage, New York. He has a word for us now about why he does this.
The old house was here. I bought it, and with the thought of tearing it down and putting a house in and then reselling it because it was just me and the dog. I rebuilt the whole house, and literally the week when I finished, they told me the cancer was throughout my entire body. We took it off the market, and then what we did is, eventually I realized this is the perfect warehouse for the foundations. It's a 3,000 square foot basement. We put electric conveyor in and these conveyor belts. We bring 100 people here on a nightly basis and package cookies with corporations. And this house became the perfect warehouse. It was built, meant for this, but it was not the intention initially.
Wow, it's such an incredible thing that Frank does. He goes from Rockland County to all over the United States, surprising these terminally ill children and their families with these awesome vacations. Guys, now it's your turn at home. Gather together. Help make an impact on Baking Memories for Kids. This organization needs your help to last forever. If you love what we do here, please share and post on social media. Hashtag Baking Memories for Kids. Hashtag BM4K. Hashtag For the Kids. Hashtag Memory Maker. You could do so many things to help this great organization last forever. Please, guys, all cookies might be good, but not all cookies make a difference. I'm Mark Keegan. Thank you. Don't miss out on any of the memories. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to keep up with all things Baking Memories for Kids. If you want to donate, buy cookies, or nominate a family for Baking Memories for Kids, visit us on our website at www.bakingmemoriesforkids.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and notify. This video is brought to you by Mark and Matt Studios. Check them out on YouTube now.